I just need to make sure I don't have no random long hair dangling anywhere, because the last time I filmed a travel haul video for an upcoming European trip, I had put, the same crochet braids in my hair, and there was this one just abnormally long strand that was just sticking up out of here, and it wasn't cute, and it was bugging me throughout the entire video. So I gotta make sure that is not the case now. Probably is. I don't put it past myself. Hi people, it's Leona. I am back today with a haul video for you because I am going to Europe in about a week. I feel like it's about 4 days now. It's in 4 days. I'll be going to Europe. And of course, as with always, whenever I go to Europe, I mean any trip really, I go shopping beforehand. And I know I'm coming back from Europe. I just went there in September. And the reason why I'm going back now is because I found a glitch fare to Paris for $275 round trip from New York. Do you understand how rare that occurs? Do you understand that I have never been to Europe on a round trip flight that was under $300? It has never happened to me. Therefore, when I saw this glitch fare, I booked the trip immediately. And that's why I'm going back. So, though it was a round trip flight to Paris, I will be going back to London as well because I love London. I love London more than Paris. Paris is beautiful. The architecture is beautiful and everything, but I just don't feel as welcome there, maybe as an American, when I go, and I feel more welcome, more love from London. And that's why I'm going to be spending a bulk of my time in London. And plus, though I have been to London, a few times already. I have been there a few times. Every time I go, there's new things to do and see because it's a whole big city, and one trip just ain't gonna cut it. One trip just isn't gonna cut it, and apparently not 3 trips aren't gonna cut it either. So yeah, going back for a 4th time, and I'm not mad at it. I might also be visiting a country I have never visited before during this trip. I say might because I don't know, I don't want to jinx things and say it is going to happen, and I would hate for it not to happen. So I'm going to say might right now. I might be going to a different country. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Anyway, so let's get into this haul. One of the first stores I went to was Zara. That's because over the holiday season, I got a $100 gift card from the company that I work at. And I was like, bet. Gonna use that for some of my items. But one of the first things I got was this sweater, this turtleneck sweater. I don't own any turtlenecks. It's like the first turtleneck in my wardrobe since I was like a preteen. So I really like it. I love the color. It's very nice and soft. And because I was going during, I'm going in February, I'm going to Europe, and the temperature there is similar to the temperature here, or so I thought. I just checked the weather yesterday of what it's going to be like in Europe in the areas I'm going to, London and Paris, and it's already up in the 60s over there. We're still dealing with like the 20s and 30s over here. So though I purchased this sweater for the trip, I have a feeling when I wear it, because I'm still bringing it with me and I'm still going to wear it, I'm just going to be sweating every bit of makeup on my face off because it's going to be considerably hotter there than it is here. Anyway, so got this from Zara. The next thing I got from Zara, also an in-store purchase, is like one of my favorites. I love this top, this polka dot top. Y'all know the deal with me and polka dots already. It's a texture, a different fabric. So this shirt feels like it's made with cotton, and then the polka dots feel like it's made from, I don't know, a sweater material. And it's just so beautiful. So this is a favorite purchase of mine. I love the color because it's going to go with everything. And this was $39.90. Still from Zara. I got this beautiful purse over here. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. I love this like sage green bit to the handle that it's a gold hardware. You can either wear the bag with your hand or put it over your shoulder. On the inside, there's this bag that comes with it that you can store everything. It's not the biggest bag in the world. It's relatively small, but I feel like it's good enough for a trip to Europe. This was $39.90. I think I had a little bit of leftover money on the gift card that I got, and so I got this bag in black as well. I've already started using this. Like, I already have stuff already in here. But, oh, God, I love it. It's so sophisticated and minimal. It still makes a statement in my humble opinion. The next place I shopped was Gap Factory, because if you saw my recent London vlogs, you know that I had a pair of jeans with me on that trip. And those pair of jeans were very baggy and saggy because I had lost some weight. And I've waited all this time from September 2018 to February 2019 to buy myself a pair of jeans that fit. I just didn't want to go out and bother trying on jeans and all that stuff. But I needed another pair of jeans so I can take something on the trip. So I got the pair of jeans I always get, just in a smaller size, my straight cut jeans from Gap Factory in this wash. I love this wash, the best out of all of them. They have it in black, a lighter wash, all this stuff, and blah blah blah. But you know, it's a pair of jeans. It's a pair of jeans. You see the image on the screen of what it looks like on the model, whatever. Pair of jeans. And Gap Factory is always having sales, so I think this came out to like $28. Now the place I always get the most amount of clothing items, ASOS. I mean, y'all know this. It's just always going to happen. And also, during my last London vlogs, I introduced you to my new favorite pair of pants. My so favorite pair of pants that if ASOS discontinues these, like stops bringing them out in different colors and patterns, I might actually cry. I might have a tear come down from my eyeball because I love these pants so much. They're so flattering. And so they're high-waisted. They're called balloon pants because they balloon out on the sides. And I have no hips, so it makes it look like I have hips. I don't care if I'm those, you know, girls that have that illusion. Or once you take off all your clothes, you don't look like anything. Whatever. I don't care. I still love these pants and will wear them, rock them, for as long as ASOS makes them. Anyway, so these are the balloon pants. I'll be showing you how they look on the screen. They came out with new colors, so I got them in 3. I got them in this burgundy color, this black and white check or stripe plaid color. I've already worn these. Like, I've already worn all these pants. I bought them for the trip, but I've already worn them because, like I said, they're my favorite pants. And they're great for work, so I'm going to be wearing them. And the amount of compliments I've got on this one alone. Amazing. I suggest you get you some. So I'm going to say. And then I also got them in this powder pink color. And I'm bringing all of them on the trip with me. They varied in price from, I think, like $56 to $60. And worth every single penny. Every single penny. On to the other items that I purchased from ASOS. Once again, I'm going in February. I'm thinking it's going to be like winter weather there. And normally I don't like to wear anything on my body at night. But if it's going to be cold, then yes, I need to keep some sort of heat under the blankets. You know, sometimes the blankets aren't enough. So I wanted to get some pajamas. Not that these are like any heavy weighted pajamas, no flannel or anything with sleeves, but it's something more than what I would normally wear. So that's why I got these. I got 3 pairs of pajamas and they're so freaking cute. They're sets, a pants and a like tank top set, and the tank top it looks like or fits like a sports bra. I just think it's really, really adorable. So I got this pair. These are the pants. And I also got this pair. I can't remember how much they were. I think they were under $40. But I recently saw that when I purchased them, I think they were under $40. Maybe they were $38 for the each set. They were $38 each. And then a couple of weeks ago, ASOS was having a big, huge sale, and I saw the same ones for $22 on sale. And since I like them so much, I bought this pair again for $22 because I'm like, you know what? I'll get used out of them. I'll wear them. I think they're really, really cute. So I now have 2 pairs of that set. And the last set of pajamas I purchased were these satin pajamas. It's also a set. So this is the top. This is the more grown and sexy pair, because it got the lace going on, see-through, and the back is all out. But really, really cute. And the fabric, it feels so soft, so smooth, so silky, even though it's satin. And I got these when they were on sale. So I think it was in the 20s. I don't know. And the ones that were on sale was the tall size. So I forgot or didn't realize they were tall. So when I tried them on when I got home, when I say there's an extra 5 inches of pant leg that I don't need on this, it's really ridiculously a lot more fabric. Am I going to get it hemmed? What for? I mean, I'm wearing them at night. Where am I going? No. Those are the things I purchased for the trip. But of course, like I told you a couple of weeks ago, ASOS was having a sale and I went crazy. So the next items I'm going to show you, I didn't necessarily get them for the trip, but since I got them, I figured you would appreciate seeing them as well. And they are shoes. So I got these pair of heels here. I got these for if I have any work events and I need to look all professional. I love the pointy toe. I love the block heel because I feel like it's going to be more comfortable. They're wide fit, so they fit my feet very comfortably. They're from a brand called London Rebel, but like I said, I got them from ASOS. I heart them. These get every bit of hair and dust that's in the area. So that's one thing I don't like about these, because they're more like a faux suede material and everything just collects on them. But they are still cute and can't wait to wear them. The next pair of shoes I got from ASOS, I actually was intending on bringing these on the trip with me, but I tried them to wear them with the outfits that I planned on bringing, these booties right here, and they just don't go with any of the outfits. I guess I'm also not used to wearing booties, so I just feel like I can't pair them correctly. So I'm not going to waste the luggage, or I'm not going to waste the room in the luggage and bring these along, but I still thought it was worth showing. And the last pair of shoes I purchased from ASOS are these beautiful lilac sandals heels that are actually from Aldo. But who knew Aldo sells wide fit shoes now, or at least they sell them on ASOS. I have been looking at these since the summer, and the reason why I didn't buy them in the summer when I first saw them, because they were $97, and I don't wear heels. Okay, I like to purchase them. Sometimes if I have a fancy place to go to, I will wear them, but those fancy things only occur 2 to 3 times a year. So for me to spend $97 on something that I already know the cost per wear is not even going to be right, I said, no, I'm not going to do it. But during that ASOS sale, these were $37. 37. So, or maybe not even 37. They were in the 30s. I know that. Therefore, I got them. Oh, God. And I just love them. Love them. One of the purchases I made for this trip is nothing that I can show you, because it was a purchase that was going to get me physically, I guess, looking right, I feel like. And that was laser hair removal. Because, you know, I have this goatee on my chin that stays wanting to come out. And nobody has any time to be dealing with trying to shave on vacation or whatever. I don't want to have to deal with that. It's bad enough I have to shave my legs. I don't want to have to deal with doing anything to my face. Now, I had got my lip done like over a year ago. And I was like, I got notification about a deal for more laser hair removal services. So I was like, fine, I'm going to use that deal to get my chin situated. Now, the only reason why I'm bringing this up is because, like I said, I did get it for the trip. But I also want to bring it up because I got burnt. I got all the way burnt during my last treatment. I've never had that experience before with laser hair removal. I believe they gave me a technician that didn't know what didn't know what she was doing. And she has burnt the side of my face. Not even on my chin. She done brought the laser up to the side of my mouth here. You can't see that I have a burn now because I'm covering it up with a lot of makeup. But let me show you some footage that I took earlier today of what that burn looks like. So now I'm mad that I'm going on vacation with my face looking like this. So I just wanted to share that tale of my horrible experience with laser hair removal. Thank you so much for watching. Do stay tuned for my upcoming travel vlogs from my trip, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!